Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be unboxing a particular kitchen item that I wanted for the longest period of time. So since we've been stuck at home because of COVID-19, I thought this would be the best time for me to actually order this item and start to use it and create really nice meals and different kind of things for my family. So without further ado, let's jump right into this unboxing. The item that I'm going to be showing you guys is this food processor. This Ninja Food Processor. So I've wanted this processor for the longest period of time, and at the time that I wanted to buy it, the price was really high. So I felt, there will probably soon be a sale. I mean, sometimes I want to save a coin. So I waited a little bit, and thankfully the price reduced a little bit. And now that I've ordered it, I got about 40% discount from buying it, and I'm so excited. So I'm going to show you guys the items in here, and then we'll look at everything that is in there together and make a first impression. It comes with 11 different parts, which does a lot of things: ice crushing, grating, cutting, processing, all kinds of things. And I'm so happy about this item. So I'm going to bring out the content one after the other so that you guys can see the items. The first item that I'm going to bring out is the main processor, and this is 1.8 liters. Is really big. It's really big. And the blade, guys, when I was trying to put these things together, it comes with this crusher. And when we were trying to put this thing together, I literally was screaming because just have a look at the blade. The blades are so big and they look really strong, really sturdy. It's really big. This looks like it's going to be able to do like a whole lot, and I'm so happy about how the blade looks. I feel like this is a really good investment. This processor cost me about I think 150 or 170 pounds, something around that line. I bought this from August. So it comes with this. Aside from that, there is also this is the engine. That's where you fix this on top of, and it's so heavy, guys. This thing is super heavy. So before I made a decision about this particular one, I reached out to my friend who is a caterer back in Nigeria. Hey, Mrs. Kush, thank you so much for helping me make this decision. I sent her a couple options and I asked her, oh, babe, can you help me make a decision about this item, because I need to be sure that I'm buying the right one. Because I've heard, I've seen reviews about people complaining that they bought food processor and it cannot crush ice, it cannot do a lot of things, or maybe it's not strong enough and all that. So she put me through and she said to me that, first of all, the wattage is very important. So I think this is 1500 wattage. Yes, this says 1500 watts. So this is very strong. So when I sent it to her, she was like, Toyosi, nothing compares to a Ninja. So I bought this, and this is so heavy. Like, it's really heavy. And it looks really sturdy. It looks really quality. I'm so happy about this investment. Another thing that comes with it is this proper blender. So it also, aside from the food processor, it also comes with a 2.1 liter. Guys, I've been buying blenders in my whole life. I have a very good one right now, a Tefal blender, but it's not this big. I've never seen a blender this big, and I'm so happy. This is 2.1 liters, and it also comes with this massive blade. So you release it at the top there. It also comes with this massive length of blade. I don't know if you guys can see it properly. It is so long. The blades look really sharp, and this looks really strong. It's not like them flimsy blender. So I'm really happy about this investment, because this is like an investment for me. It's a whole lot. I'm not a professional caterer, so investing in a food processor to be able to like blend beans, to make make akara and all those things were part of the reason why I decided to buy this. And this is also good because I think you can use it to knead dough and all of that. So this is really impressive. So it also comes with, this is like a dry mill for blending crayfish, egusi, those type of things, like dry stuff, blending ogbono, all those kind of things. So this is like a dry mill, and you can also use this for making smoothie. You can use it as a smoothie maker. It's really good. And there's also an extra, you know, container. So maybe if you like blend your smoothie in here, you can also pour it in here to kind of like consume it. This is like a water bottle, more like. So it has like that opening there, you know. But everything just looks really strong. Like this thing lives up to the Ninja name. I'm so happy about, you know, the quality and everything. I'm so impressed. I have no worries at all that this is going to serve me. So it also comes with extra parts. So there is another plastic blade. So this one you can connect into the processor itself. I feel like this is for like so it says this is for dough. Yes, combo dough hook. So it comes with this dough hook, which looks really strong. Even if it's plastic, it's so strong. And then there is also the grater, so no, slicer. So it says 2-in-1 disc shredding and slicing. So you can use this blade, you can attach it to the food processor to slice, to shred, and all of that, you know. And they all look very strong. They look very strong, because I feel like it makes a lot more sense to actually invest in these things if you're going to buy them, so that you're not changing it like every month. This is the grating disc. It also comes with its own grating disc. So if you want to grate things like cheese, whatever it is, you can just put in there. Or if you want to grate water yam to make some, you know, other Nigerian delicacies, this is perfect for that. Last but not the least, items are an extra cover for in case you use that to make smoothie and you just want to use a smaller container. All you need to do is just to take away the blade and then just replace that with this extra cover, which is perfect for like on the go drinking of your smoothie or juice or whatever it is. And then there is an extra rotor. So these, I think, connects the either that, or I'm sure I will figure that out when I'm ready to use it. So this is also included in the package. The last item that came with it is obviously the manual. So the manual talks about everything that you need, you know, how quick you can use it, and it looks like these things that it's very easy to set up, very easy to use. And yeah, so there's the owner's guide, there is the manual, and then it also comes with recipes. So it also comes with 25 recipes that you can use it for. So if you look on this, you can see the 3 different things that I have put out: the blender, the processor, and the smoothie maker or the dry mill. So I am really happy about this. I cannot wait to start to use this, because, you know, whenever we want to make moi or things like that, I'm always worried about, okay, so I have to use powder beans, which I don't personally like, because if you keep it in the house for too long, it starts to taste stale. So I'm so happy that I have this now. I can blend my beans on the go. I can, you know, make my own almond milk, just a lot of all these things. I'm just very excited about it, guys. I'm really excited, and I feel like this investment is worth it. Once again, I bought this off of Argos, and it came down to 150 pounds, I think. Yeah, it came down to 150 pounds. It was more than that initially. And the food processor is 1.8 liters, which I think is really good. It's really, you know, big. It can accommodate a big family. You know, this is even too big for us. We're just 4 people. And the blender, it comes with a blender that is 2.1 liters, which is perfect. I don't want to know how big your family is or the amount of pepper or whatever it is that you want to blend. I feel like 2.1 liters is really good. And it also comes with 2 different smoothie maker, the bigger one and then the smaller one. And these ones have covers that you can use to kind of like, you know, drink on the go. So yeah, that is perfect. I'm going to start to put them back in the box. And then it comes with all the other attachments. It has loads of attachments for grating, for slicing, for crushing, just all sorts. Like, I'm so happy about this On a final note, I would definitely recommend that if you want to buy a processor, that you should consider a Nutri Ninja. One of the main reasons is because it is 1500 watts, and I have learned while I was trying to do research to buy this item, I learned that the higher the wattage, the better, the stronger that they are. So if you're planning to buy it, I would also recommend that you do proper research, read reviews, and also make sure that you're picking the best of them, because unlike blender and basic other items, you can actually get away with the flimsy ones, but with this type of item, because of the kind of work it's going to be doing, the crushing and all of that hard work, you want to actually take your time, invest a good amount of money to get the best quality so that you can get the best service. I feel like it's good, I feel like it's good quality, and I'm going to get a good amount of use from it. Do I recommend it? Yes, I definitely do recommend it. If you decide not to choose this one, there are a couple other ones, there are other brands. This video is not sponsored by anyone. I just thought that because I was looking for this kind of content about making a choice of buying a food processor, and I didn't find it, I just thought it would be nice for me to review the one that I got so that I can help somebody out there to make a quick decision about whichever processor that they are settling for. If you find this video useful, please hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe and turn on notification so that whenever I put up a new video, you will be the first to know. Also, I am at TG-Jonah on all social media platforms. Hit the follow button and I definitely will follow back. Until next time, guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.